Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manoj Chaudhary. So, today's topic of discussion is general solutions. We are trying to find general solutions of trigonometric equations and there are total 10 cases. Out of which we already covered 6 cases in my previous videos. Sin theta equal to 0, cos theta equal to 0 and tan theta equal to 0 in previous one video. Sin theta equal to sin alpha, cos theta equal to cos alpha and tan theta equal to tan alpha. Separate videos with example for this. Please watch my previous videos on this channel. Now, next 3 cases after the 6, next cases 7th, 8th and 9 are square cases. Sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha and tan square theta equal to tan square alpha. So let's see the case number 7. So for sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, I am making one small arrangement. I am multiplying both the side by 2. So it's a 2 sin square theta equal to 2 sin square alpha, and we have a very important formula in trigonometry. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Just read this formula in reverse order. So we can replace 2 sin square theta as 1 minus cos 2 theta. So let's replace this 2 sin square theta as 1 minus cos 2 theta. And let's replace this 2 sin square alpha. Just imagine alpha instead of theta. So 2 sin square alpha is 1 minus cos 2 alpha. So just read that formula in reverse order. Now further, this 1 and 1 cancel. It's a double angle formula, my friends. So please note down, it's a double angle formula. So 1 and 1 cancel. Then minus cos 2 theta equal to minus cos 2 alpha. Then this minus minus becomes plus. So it's a cos 2 theta equal to cos 2 alpha. And this case we already faced in my previous video. See, this one was the case. If cos theta equal to cos alpha, then the general solution is theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So please watch my previous video to understand this particular case of general solution. So here I am trying to apply this general solution case over here with a small change in angle. So just compare this thing as cos theta equal to cos alpha and the solution is theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. See, this is actually the previous case of general solution. Now let's make a few changes according to the required structure. See, what is theta here? Theta is 2 theta. Theta is 2 theta. So I am replacing this theta as 2 theta. Then 2n pi plus minus. But what is alpha? Alpha is 2 alpha. Right? So this is the general solution of this case, while this is the general solution of this particular case. Now you can cancel out this 2 throughout. So answer is theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So this is the first case. If sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, then the general solution is theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Now let's see the case number 8, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha. Let's make a similar kind of arrangement. I am multiplying on both the side by 2. So it's a 2 cos square theta equal to 2 cos square alpha. So 2 cos square theta is actually a double angle formula if you remember. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. This is a double angle formula from the trigonometry. Now just think in reverse order. Instead of 2 cos square theta, you can replace it with 1 plus cos 2 theta. So I am replacing 2 cos square theta as 1 plus cos 2 theta. Similarly on RHS there is only symbolic change. Instead of theta there is alpha. So 2 cos square alpha is 1 plus cos 2 alpha. So it's a 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Now this 1 and 1 cancels, right? So what is left? Cos 2 theta equal to cos 2 alpha, which is almost like this structure. right? So there is no point in discussing this thing again. Please refer this. So same thing repeats here. It's a cos theta equal to cos alpha case. So I am comparing in this way. It's a cos theta equal to cos alpha. The general solution is theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Those who are watching this video directly here, please refer my previous video to understand this general solution. So now let's compare. What is theta here? Theta is 2 theta. Theta is 2 theta. Compare these two structures. This is 2n pi plus minus. What is alpha? Alpha is 2 alpha. Then let's divide throughout by 2. So theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. This is the general solution of cos square theta equal to cos square alpha. Now case number 9 is tan square theta equal to tan square alpha. To simplify this, you must understand this fundamental principle of ratios, componendo and dividendo. So what is componendo and dividendo? So if A by B is equal to C by D, if these two ratios are similar, then by componendo dividendo, so sum of these two and or difference of these two, and on the same side, right hand side also, sum and the difference, these ratios are also similar to this, right? If you recall the basic concept of componendo and dividendo. See, I am trying to apply this particular concept of ratio over here. There is nothing in the denominator, means I can assume as 1 in the denominator. So this is 1 in the denominator. See, try to understand, it is like A by B is equal to C by D. So I am comparing this one with this structure. A by B is equal to C by D. Imagine this is A by B is equal to C by D. Then extrapolate that result to this particular case. Then B plus A, it's like a B plus A, 1 plus tan square theta divided by B minus A, like a 1 minus tan square theta. This is equal to, on the right hand side, same structure, same implementation, 1 plus tan square alpha divided by 1 minus tan square alpha. So now, what is the reason why we are applying this concept of the ratio, that is componendo and dividendo? Reason is quite simple. This double angle formula cos 2 theta is 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. It's a double angle formula. So means read this structure in reverse order. So this entire structure you can replace by cos 2 theta. So let's replace this entire structure by cos 2 theta. Even replacing this entire structure by cos 2 alpha. And we already faced this particular case of general solution. If cos theta equal to cos alpha, then general solution was 2n pi plus minus alpha. This thing we already studied in previous cases. So let's apply this over here. Only change is instead of theta it's a double angle. Instead of alpha it is a double angle. So let's apply it. So theta is 2 theta, 2n pi plus minus alpha is 2 alpha. Now I am dividing throughout by 2. So final general solution is theta equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So this is the final general solution of tan square theta equal to tan square alpha is theta equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So what is a hint? So at the end of this video, I am going to give you a simple hint of Chaudhary sir. So what is the hint in all these three formulas, right? So friends, there is a simple trick in these square cases. In all these three cases, if you observe this proof, all these three cases have one simple common general solution. Theta equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So for all these three cases, the unique thing is they possess same general solution. Let's understand this with one example. So let's say if it is sine square x is equal to 1 by 4, right? So I can express this 1 by 4 as 1 by 2 its square. Now what this structure suggests? Left hand side is a sine, right hand side must be a sine. So how to convert this into a sine? You know that sine of 30 degree. Sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2. So now we can take a square of it because it's a half square. So for sine 30 degree, for this half and it's square, so it's a sine square. Is it a case number 1? Sine square theta equal to sine square alpha. So I am considering this as a case of sine square theta equal to sine square alpha. So what is theta here? What is the general solution? The general solution is theta equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So friends, tell me, just compare these two structures. This is the general solution in this kind of structures. What is the theta here? Theta is x, n pi plus minus. What is alpha? Alpha is 30 degree. So that's all. Or if you want, you can mention this in the form of radian. So in terms of radian, this answer is x equal to n pi plus minus. How to mention 30 degree in radians? Pi by 6. Correct? So that's all. This is the required general solution of this sine square x equal to 1 by 4. So one more example on this. Let's consider the second example. Let's say cos square x equal to 3 by 4. I am considering cos square x equal to 3 by 4. How will you express this 3 by 4? 3 by 4 we can express at root 3 by 2. It's square. Right? So root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4. So simply it's a square cases. So I am trying to arrange square on RHS. So now the structure suggests cos on LHS, cos must be on RHS. How to convert this into cos? Simply cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2. 30 degree means pi by 6. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Let's mark the square for it because it's a root 3 by 2 square. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2, then it's square. Now please compare this one with this structure cos square theta equal to cos square alpha. Then what is the solution? See, interesting thing is all these three structures possess same general solution. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. This is the main formula. Let's apply it for this. What is theta here? Theta is x, n pi plus minus. What is alpha here? Alpha is pi by 6. Here we got the next general solution for this case cos square x equal to 3 by 4. Let's see the next example. What if it is tan square x equal to 1? Now this tan square x, we can express this 1 as a 1 square. 1 square is a 1. See, according to this structure, if tan is on LHS, tan must be on RHS. So how we can convert this 1 into tan? Simply substitute tan 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1 and there is a square present, so we can express it as tan square pi by 4. So this is the structure that you have to apply. So tan square theta equal to tan square alpha is the general solution case, and so in such a cases final outcome is theta equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Let's apply this structure to this formula problem. If theta is x here, theta is x, n pi plus minus, what about alpha? Alpha is pi by 4. So here we got the general solution for tan square x equal to 1. And one important thing, this is the general solution, but how will you obtain the various values of x or this angle? For that, simply substitute the various values of n. If you substitute n equal to 0 here, you will get first answer plus minus pi by 4. If you substitute n equal to 1, there may be two possibilities, pi plus pi by 4 and x may be pi minus pi by 4, right? And if you cross multiply it, so it's a 5 pi by 4, and if you cross multiply here, it is 3 pi by 4. See, simply what I am trying to tell you, this is the general solution which represent the structure, but if you want particular value, then please substitute the various values of n as a 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? So that's all friends. This is all about the three cases of general solution. Case number 7, 8 and 9. sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, and tan square theta equal to tan square alpha. And the simple trick is all these three structure possess same solution. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, one comment is expected from you. So your feedbacks really matters for me, and please share with your friends, and please take care. Thank you.